Hello everybody, it's been a long time. Today I want to share with you with my multi-tool collection and talk and discuss all the details about each of these beautiful garments. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, put thumbs up, leave your comments down below. I'll appreciate that. Let's get started. So as you can see here, we have a lot of nice items from my very first and small to the biggest and toughest. And by the way, if you want me to make the comparison test of between some of them, don't hesitate, leave your comments and let's make some tests of knives or saws or wherever you want. Okay, so for the first multi-tool I want to talk is this tiny, small, beautiful, well-known Leatherman Micra. I believe it was my first multi-tool I've bought I think a year and a half ago, in nice blue color. You all know what's inside. It's a small knife, flat screwdriver, some file, tweezers, Phillips driver, bottle opener, small flat driver, and the scissor with spring. Nice, lightweight, tiny, almost invisible in your pocket. Nice small tool. I bought the sheath made of leather for this. When I saw this first time, I was like, wow, give me that. It is made in USA. It's pure leather, very stiff, and it smells like super. Okay, the next multi-tool I bought, it was the Zog Power Litter, I believe. I like its small size. It's something between these and bigger brothers, and it has nice mechanism. You can see how it works. So many nice tools inside you may need during your outdoors, during your office work. It's scissors, it's a bottle opener, it's a Phillips driver, it's a can opener. From the other side, corkscrew opener. So it's a knife. It's small, but believe me, it's super sharp to open the packages, to do some small tasks you may need. It's absolutely good. The locking mechanism, you can see here, it's something similar like on Surge, Wave, Charge models of Leatherman. And what else? Here we have a small, I think, flat driver for your eyeglasses or watches, and all very sharp reamer with holes. What next? We see that. And this, I use it for package opener. It's very convenient. And sometimes when you need something small, it's super nice tool. Also, we have this small, fidgety, and very nice option to close it, not to fall apart. It locks all the tool in this position. And the last tool we have, by the way, this thing I really have no idea what it is for. Please, if you know, let me know in the comments. I don't know for which task is this. And the last thing is this, very interesting, is a bead holder. It has some small magnets, so you can use standard hex bits, put it here, close it, and it will not loose. So you can screw it this way. I find it quite useful and interesting. Nice feature. Okay. So the next tool, of course, it's a famous Leatherman Wave Plus, one-handed operated, super nice, super sharp. I like its design, I like how it fits in the hand. It has a super sharp and useful saw. I've been using it for many tasks already. Serrated blade, which to be honest I almost never use. Maybe I would change it to Victorinox scissors. I saw some videos on internet. Some guys did it well, and maybe I will follow these instructions. So a file, two sides, diamond coated. This is for metal or wood, nothing special. And inside, you all know, bead holder, can and bottle opener, combined tool. From the other side, super nice and super sharp scissors. I think it's the second place of my top scissors after Victorinox. They're super nice. What else? We have a flat driver, which I use like a pry bar, and small watch screw or sunglasses screw. It's two sides, so flat and small Phillips. Replaceable wire cutters. It's nice to hold, it's convenient, but sometimes I had some issues with that. When you do it this way, when you try to cut some thick wire or something like that, or a nail maybe, when you did it in this way, this part can catch your skin in this part, and it's been a few times and quite harmful. This is only one issue with that multi-tool. Anyway, I love it. The next tool is a Leatherman Skeletool. Lightweight, super handy, in nice coyote tan color. Also one-handed operation. To be honest, I don't like the half serrated blades. I prefer plain blades more, but okay, maybe one day I'll change it to 154 cm blade from the Skeletool CX model, or buy it. Okay, we have small pliers, we have bit holder, we have extra bits over here, and we have the bottle opener combined with this carabiner. Nice, compact, with pocket belt, clip. Nice tool. The next one is my Victorinox Handyman. Tons of tools, tons of everything, from classic knife, small knife, super useful and sharp saw, pliers. I wouldn't say it's pliers for heavy duty tasks, believe me. I tried to unscrew some tight caps or something like this and it didn't work well. But for hanging something over the fire to catch some hot spots from a camping fire, it's super nice. To hold some small parts of something, you know, you can see a wire cutter here. Okay, what else? A classic bottle opener combined with flat screw. Here we have a can opener with Phillips head, and also we have here is, of course, the best in the world, Victorinox scissors. Okay, and somewhere here, wait a second, here it is. It's a file. Nice, sharp file. You can saw your metal stuff or whatever you may need in plastic or wood. Okay, from the other opposite side we have this corkscrew opener with a small flat driver. I also have this pen. This and this I bought separately. Wow, what else? Here we have, I don't know, it's a small chisel, I think, but I've never used it. It's super sharp here. Okay, and this flat screwdriver. Of course, a famous Victorinox hook, which I used for hanging some heavy bottles with water. I put some paracord, catch it here and hang it. It was not so difficult to hang it in hands. And the last thing is a rimmer, is a hole with a hole here. It's quite sharp. Nice, good tool. Okay, let's go next. Sorry guys, one more thing and one more multi-tool. I left it in my bag, so now I realized that I forgot to show you this. This is my favorite multi-tool these days. This is Victorinox Spirit X with this special ergonomic shape of the handle, which fits just perfect. It's not so big, it's not so small, it's just exactly as it should be. Okay, super smooth mechanic. Here you find the tools that very let's say pleasant and satisfied to deploy. You get what I mean. Wire strippers, small pry bar with a package opener. This tool I use almost every day. Super nice. All. It is very nice to use it. Not this like the previous Victorinox, but this. It's it's more ergonomic. So the next is a big flat screwdriver with a, take a look at the thickness, huge pry bar wire stripper, but it's not so good for these tasks. I would prefer to use previous one. What else? The knife itself, it's shining, Swiss made stainless steel, nice, simple, nothing special, just work knife. Here we have the famous sharp and good saw for wood. As I noticed, the mechanics and all the implements fit so nice. It works and deploys just perfect. Okay, from the other side we have another convenient Phillips head screwdriver. We have a can opener, classic Vicks. We have scissors, different design than that one, but again, it's sturdy. You can cut leather, you can cut paracord. The only issue is this so tiny distance between the blades. What else? A file, super nice file with the sofa metal, and small flat screwdriver. For electricians, it's super nice and useful. This is it. It shines, it fits, it matches. I love it. And the next tool is one of my favorite for this period of time. It's a Leatherman Super Tool 300. I have two versions of this. This is Super Tool 300M and this is standard. But I've made some modification and I've changed some tools from here, move it to here and vice versa. So I'll show you what exactly it was. And for these tasks, I've used these nice tools, which I received from eBay. I'll put the seller down link in the description section. It is for all the models which has this specific type of screws. So you will receive two of them to unlock the mechanism which holds the tool. Okay, so this is Super Tool 300M in this tan color, and what we have here and what I've changed. So as you can see, it has some loose after modding because these tools from that tool, it's not fits correct in these positions, but okay, I'll leave it as it is for the future modding. The difference between the classic Super Tool 300 and this one is this gun scraper, and you can use it, I think, like a awl, like a rimmer. And other tools, the difference from this, I moved to this bad boy, and now this is absolutely completed, one of a kind Leatherman multi-tool for me right now. So, of course, super heavy duty pliers with replaceable Y cutters. From one side, let me show you, we have this amount of tools. Serrated blade, a saw, bottle and can opener, small flat driver, and this tool from Leatherman with letter M. It's a heavy duty, super nice and super convenient pry bar. Wait a second, take a look. It's so crazy thick. It's nice to catch the nails, to put it out from the wood, also to open some cans with paint or other tasks, you know. Super nice thing. I'm glad it is here. From the other side, we have classic plain blade and this thing, which I took from the M version. It's a bit holder. Okay. And what else? We have an awl over here, and we have a file with this ring for paracord. Nice file, nice everything. For this time, as I told you before, this is my favorite multi-tool nowadays. Super light, I adore this. And my last multi-tool, which I bought recently, it's Leatherman OHT, which means one hand tool. As you know, it has special mechanism here to do it this way. And it holds like this. This tool, this tool, this tool. From the other side, it has this, it has this, this, and this. Believe me, it's amount of tools that can be used, which can cover all of your needs. It's outdoor or, I don't know, during your military tasks. I'm not a military guy, but I love the aesthetic of this. I like the design, how it fits, it's so strong. Okay, this mechanism, replaceable Y cutters, super nice. I like it a lot. And just a small talk about the sheath, as you can see here. So in my opinion, and I was really surprised when I bought this leather sheath from Victorinox, to use it with this bad guy. It fits here amazingly, surprisingly good. It looks like it was created for this specifically. And what is more important, you can use this inside, and look at that. The symmetric, the aesthetic, the color, matching, size, everything. Super. This is the code number of the model if you want to find it on internet. And believe me, now it looks amazingly good. Of course, I have the standard nylon sheath from Leatherman. It's nice, it's okay. At least for me it looks much better. And this is the sheath which comes with the M Super Tool model. It also has this bead holder combined with adjusting tool for the target aim, you know how to describe it correct if you're military. Nice tool to extend your standard bits. It has special place for this, and also you can use these external pockets for flashlight, for additional tool if you want. It's super nice. This also, it was with this tool. It comes in this combination, but I think you can use like this, or you can change it if you want. And the nice opportunity to use this, let me remember, Armitech flashlight for this little guy. Hops. Super nice. Take a look. No problem. So, for this time, that's all that I want to share with you guys. Put your positive, negative comments, anything you want. Let's discuss. Let's describe all the tools, make the tests. So, see you next time. I hope it was a nice and helpful video for some of you, and see you next time. Bye.